Mbodi AI joins YCombinator, transforming industrial robots with voice commands. Industrial automation just got a serious upgrade. Meet Mbodi AI, the New York startup now backed by YCombinator's latest X25 batch. And they're here to make teaching robots as easy as talking to them. Manufacturers are struggling with labour shortages, and traditional robots take weeks to reprogram for even small changes. Mbodi's solution? A no-code, talk-to-teach platform that lets anyone show a robot a task and have it up and running in production in minutes. Founders Xavier Chai and Sebastian Peralta, who previously worked on Google's public infrastructure, say that Mbodi's AI platform combines generative AI, symbolic reasoning, and agent-based orchestration. In plain English, robots that actually understand what you want and can adapt on the fly. They've already won ABB's Robotics AI Challenge and a 2025 RBR50 Innovation Award, and now they're working with real-world partners to bring flexible automation to complex, low-volume tasks that used to be out of reach. So if you're tired of robots that need a PhD to reprogram, Mbodi AI might just be the missing piece, turning industrial automation into something anyone can manage, not just engineers. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends, and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.